Love is no respecter of age or practically neither morality. Unsuspected, she enters where she will, unheeding that her immortal fires burn up human hearts. Philip Palfrey, Farm Beyond Me Love is like the wild rose barrier, friendship like the holy tree. The holy is dark when the rose barrier blooms, but which will bloom most constantly? The wild rose barrier is between in the spring. Its summer blossoms scant the air, yet wait till winter comes again, and who will call the wild barrier fear? Then Skaran, the silly rose wreath, now and deck thee with the holiest sheen, that when December blights thee, brow, he may still leave thee garland green. Kiss me once again, my love, the way we kissed before. I will become a beauty queen, loving my Romeo once more. Sing to me of purest love, those lyrics I cherish so. Sing of butterflies and doves, answer my prayer, O rainbow. Music is the peace I have found. It claims the streets of pain softly. Hearts will beat as one when you kiss me once again. Kiss me once again, my love. That's all I ask of you. I long to be your Helen of Troy, your Juliet, and your Sylvia too, for beauty being the best of all. We know sums up the unsearchable and secret aims of nature and on joys whose earthly names were never told can farm and scenes bestow and man has sped his instinct to outgo the step of science and against her shames imagination stakes out heavenly climbs building a tower above the head of Oe, nor is there fairer work for beauty found than that she win in nature her release from all the voice that in the world abound, nay, with his sorrow may his love increase if man's greater need beauty redound and climb his tears for homage of his peace